Okay, everyone, Shalom Aleichem. The first letter of the Alphabet, we will be doing the Hebrew and Aramaic lesson um, of the Alphabet. This is the first lesson. The first letter of the Aleph, which means um, uh, oxad, and it makes the sound of whatever vowel that goes under it, beside it, or over it. It is also a semi-vowel. Normally, when it's used as such, it is depends upon where the word is, but if it's like in the beginning of the word, it's like ah or u. I mean, an ah or s sound, as in Elohim, and it makes the ancient Hebrew letter the oxhead. Why? Because the letter means an ox. Surprise, surprise. The ancient nomads were concrete, uh, and their letter actually took upon the symbol of the meaning of those letters, which are actually also words in turn. Uh, the ancient Hebrew, the Aramaic, the stronger Aramaic, looks like a sideward F, and it makes the ah sound, as in Bach, ah. The bet is the second letter, the numeric value 2. It makes the B sound when it has the doggish in the middle of it, um, and it makes the V sound when it doesn't, as in van, and it means house. Um, the ancient Hebrew pictographic form is the picture of a house, a tent, floor plan. Why a tent? Because the nomadic Hebrews, their houses were tents, and the Bedouins are the same today. The Istranglo-Aramaic is the same form as the Hebrew bet, just a little bit smaller, and they make the B sound, as in boy, bad, boo. The next letter, letter number 3, the third letter of the Hebrew alphabet, is the Gimal. It kind of looks like the Nun, which we will see way later. The only difference is that how they tell. The Gimel make the G sound as in good or guy or goy, and it means camel. The ancient Hebrew lexicon, the ancient Hebrew pictographic form is the picture of a foot. Why foot? Because you travel with your foot. The nomadic people, their most common means of travel is the camel. There's your connection. The stronger Aramaic almost looks like a club, if you will, and it makes the G sound, g, and then goy, God. Uh, the next letter, the Dalet. This is the fourth letter of the Hebrew alphabet, and it makes the D, D sound, as in door, dig, dog, and it means door. The ancient Hebrew is the picture of a tent door. The Aramaic resembles the hay, just a little bit smaller, and it makes the D sound, as in door or day. The fifth letter is the hay, um, and it makes the H sound, as in horse or hay or hair, and it means behold. The ancient pictographic form of the Hebrew language is a picture of a man with his arms extended saying, hey, look, I'm over here, if you will, with his arms extended. The Aramaic kind of looks like an M, if you will, and it makes the H sound. Hay, horse, hair. By the way, the hay in the Hebrew makes the semi-vowel, and when it's used, a semi-vowel, it's used to determine, to hint that there's a vowel there. When it's used with the Hebrew, it doesn't have any vowel points. And the semi-vowel, it uses the sound. The sixth letter is the vav. The vowel make the V sound as in van. It is a semi-vowel, make the O and the U sound, and it means now. The ancient Hebrew letter is the picture of a tent peg or a tent nail. The Aramaic looks like a backwards D, and it makes the W sound as in wood, well, wag. The seventh letter is the Zayin, make the Z sound as in zebra or zoo, or zag, and it means a weapon or nourishment, food. Ancient Hebrew pictographic is the katak. What is this used? It is a weapon, and it's also a tool to cut barley or wheat, so you can have nourishment. Um, or food for nourishment. The Aramaic looks like a comma, if you will, and it makes the same sound, the Z sound, as in zebra, zoo. The eighth letter is the chet, and it makes the CH sound as in bach, um, and it means wall or to separate. In the ancient Hebrew is the picture of a tent wall. The Aramaic looks like an incomplete W. The ninth letter is the tet. You see it looks like a U a little bit, and it makes the T sound, and then Tove, Toby, to, Tad. It means basket or to hold, and to contain. The ancient Hebrew letter is the looks like a basket. Why? Because the basket contains things. The Aramaic looks like the T, if you will. The 10th letter of the Hebrew alphabet is a Yud. Make the Y sound as in yellow, your, you, yod, yak, and it also is a semi-vowel, and which make the I sound as in machine, and it means hand. The ancient Hebrew alphabet letter pictographic form is the picture of a arm with the hand extended. The Aramaic kind of looks like an arm as well, and it makes the Y sound as in you or your. The uh, next letter, the 11th letter, is a kaf, the hand extended. It has the numerical value of 20, by the way, and it means palm or bin. The ancient Hebrew is the palm, and it makes the k sound. So does the Aramaic, which kind of looks like the bet, and it makes the K sound as in cake, cook. So thank you.